Alright then people, another fruit video, another one that I got from the Taj, and this is the pomegranate. I'll get a quick snapshot. Big bog standard really, that's how it looks. Big red fruit. I've seen a few videos of how they cut this and get it out. A few people will cut down the ridges, because it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ridges. So you can cut along here, along here, along here. But I don't want to cut in the wrong place. So what I'll do, I'll cut it differently from the top here. So I'll cut one cut there, one cut there, one there, and one there, like so. And then take off the top, like this. And you can see the inside, like so. Got a white fleshy meat in the centre. You see the dimples where the seeds were, and you've got the bright red, well dull red seeds on the inside. Right, let me just scoop this out. The juice is going everywhere, all in there. And then you pop that out there and put that aside. And then what some people do is they'll put a bowl like so, and then they'll cut down the ridges here like that. Right here. Cut one there. One there. And they'll break it like so. Excuse the mess. Make a bit of a mess there. Drop that there like that. Drop that there like that. Drop that there like that. And I'll put this on the side. And then I'll start popping out the seeds. Maybe I should have put all these on the side here. Made a bit of a mess with this one, but it doesn't matter. Then you pop out all the seeds here like that. When I have pomegranate, I normally have pomegranate juice. But I thought this time I'd get a fruit from the store. It seems how the juice can be messed with, should I say. I thought I'd get one from the store this time and see how it tastes. Yep, drop that there like that. Just in a couple of videos where they're easy to pop out, but this one not so much so. Right, pop this like that. Right, pomegranates, what are they good for? Right, they've got anti-inflammatory effects for the brain and help to stall Alzheimer's. That's a good one there, isn't it? Gives elevated endurance. Good for water infections for women. Good for heart health benefits. Anti-inflammatory properties. Good for gut microbiome and kidneys. And it's one of the best iron-rich fruits. lovely mess with this. But all the same, I'm getting all the pieces out. Right, get rid of that. Get rid of that. You know, if I was fussy, yeah, I'd do it again, do it all over again. But I'm not, so you know. Get all the white pulp out. And then I'll strain it, get the water out. I'll be left with the seeds. Seeds just drop to the bottom. A lot more dense than the water, obviously, and the white pulp. Well, I'll just get me a bowl and strain it off. Give me a second. Go. A few more pieces of the insides. Get rid of that. That's what we're left with. Put that there. There we have it. Pomegranate seeds. And there we go. Got the pomegranate seeds out. All red, some of them, a few of them are white. So, a little bit of a mess. But it doesn't matter. Got the seeds out, didn't I? Off the board. Give me a second. There we have it, pomegranate seeds, which are very crunchy, nice and sweet. Wow. A nice kick in the corner of your jawbone. Very nice indeed. Now you can blend them. Or you can eat them just like that. Right, now, let's just run through the benefits again. So they've got a white inner flesh, crunchy, juicy, edible seeds inside. Anti-inflammatory effects on the brain. Helps to stall Alzheimer's, which is good for a lot of people out there. Gives elevated endurance. Good for the urinary tract. Health support. So good for water infections. Good for the heart health benefits. It has other anti-inflammatory properties. Good for the gut microbiome and the kidneys. And it's iron rich. In fact, it's one of the best iron rich fruits out there. Very nice. I like it. And the other videos that I saw online, some fruits had 5, some had 6 ridges. That one looked like it had 6 ridges. And then when I've cut it, and I'm looking on the inside, it seems to only have 4 to 5. It's a bit difficult to break. What I'm gonna do next time, I'll cut it a lot deeper, yeah, before I pop it open and put it in the water. But yeah, first time I opened one. Well, there you have it, pomegranate seeds. You've got water infections, or you get water infections a lot, get the pomegranates or buy the juice. Yep, there you go, pomegranate seeds.